iOS 16. Let's talk about the iOS 16. Probably you will install the iOS 16 immediately because you want all the cool, nice features. But I think you should wait. Do not install the iOS 16 yet. Just wait a couple of days. Just before you install and press install, just think about just for a second. And the reason I'm making this video is I'm not saying that the iOS 16 is bad or you should not install it. You just wait a little bit, and the reason for that is we always want the nice cool features, and iOS 16 is the biggest update that Apple actually did for us for the past couple of years. And on my iPhone 13 Pro, the update was the size was 3 gigabytes, and some devices is up to 5 to 6 gigabytes, which this is a lot. And the reason I am telling you not to install the iOS 16 is battery. Yes, the battery. I installed the iOS 16 a couple of days ago, and for some reason my battery on my iPhone 13 Pro is draining fast. So I don't know if you have the same problem. Let me know in the comments down below if you have the same problem. And that's why that's why I'm suggesting you should wait a little bit. Just wait a couple of days and have some math that you had. So if you was previously on a previous iOS update, late, let's say you was on iOS 15.7 or iOS even older, just do some math. See how is your battery, see how is your performance, see if your phone is working fine. Check if your battery is good. Before you install, do some tests. Make sure that you charge your phone and see how long it's gonna drain your battery, and just wait. I know that we want now the greatest customization that Apple actually is doing, which is amazing. So we have a customizations for the lock screen. Finally, we have a battery percentage for the new for the iPhones, which is nice. But this is working only on the latest iPhones for some reason. I don't know why it's not working on the all the devices. Also, we have a horizontal unlocking, which is nice. So you can unlock your iPhone now horizontally. So if your phone is on let's say, if you use your phone as a sat nav, or if it's on your car, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and if you use your phone, this is very good update. So you can use your phone horizontally now. You don't have to unlock the phone vertically because it's not nice. Also, we have very good customizations for the lock screen, and we have new wallpapers, we have widgets. So always great is nice, but just wait a little bit because you're gonna have a problem. And because the update is so big, it has a lot of features, and I believe this is one of the problems with the battery. After I install my my update, after 48 hours, I realized that my phone is draining. So I don't know what is the problem. The iPhone 13 Pro, the battery is amazing. 6+ hours screen on time. If you have the iPhone 13 Pro Max, it's guaranteed up to 10 hours screen on time. So it's one of the best battery that iPhone can do. So I'm not saying the update is bad. Actually, the update is great. So we have really nice features. Actually, I'm gonna link a very interesting video about the Zolotech. He did an amazing video about all the features. So I'm gonna link it down below. So make sure you watch the video if you want to see about all the 150 plus features. This is amazing. This is madness. So don't rush, don't update yet. Wait a little bit, do some math, see how your phone is performing right now on an iOS 15 or older. And if you really need, if you badly need all the new features, yes, update, you should update. But if you use your phone for business and if it's your only phone, wait a little bit. As a YouTube creator, I don't mind. That's why this is my hobby. It's kind of my job. So I like to do that. So if the update is bad, that's fine. I'm not saying anything bad. Just I'm gonna let you know before you do the mistake, and then probably you will like to go and change the update. You want to go back. So before you update, listen, watch this video, and let me know in the comments down below. Are you already updated, or you want an older version, or you want an iOS 15? Let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.